Hi guys, this is Easy Things to Draw. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw an angry bird. Not Angry Bird, but an Angry Bird, a more character-based one. I'm drawing with a Sharpie, nothing special. This is going to be extremely simplified. It's meant for quick drawings on maybe on a chalkboard, things like that, or a whiteboard. So to draw this, you can draw it several ways, but I'm going to do a couple. Start with this very simple shape. Looks like a piece of toast, kind of. One line across. It's going to be the eye ridge, brow ridge. Those shapes are going to be the eyes. It's going to be the beak. Those are the pupils. A little detail there. And then we're going to have the wing. The other wing, as he's putting it up. Don't forget, before we close it off, we have to put the tail. A little overlap there and make sure we and the feet. This is one way to draw an angry bird. You can try another one. Think of different shapes. This one, let's start with a round shape, a more round one. Start with a beak first. Make it a little bigger with the nostrils in there. I'm going to draw two straight lines coming out of the beak right there. Actually, let's draw the bottom of the beak this time. And the eye line is going to be coming out like it's going to be closer, as you can tell. This one's a little higher. This one's going to be closer. And I'm going to make the eyes right on the sides of the beak. And this time I'm going to draw pupils a little bigger, and I'm going to make them, I want only half of them to show, half of the pupils, the black of the eye. I have the wing there. The wing, indication of the wing on the other side. It's a ball. We're trying to draw the feet. I'm going to actually put a little more volume into the feet. And lastly, I'm going to draw the tail sticking out the back. Maybe some color change on his chest there. So it's pretty much unlimited what you could do with. Now it looks kind of tired. It's pretty much unlimited you can do. Just draw different shapes and mess around with them. This is two different ways to draw an angry bird of some kind. A cartoony, very simplified bird. Alright guys, that's Easy Things to Draw. Please subscribe to my channel and spread the word around. Share this on Facebook. Thanks a lot guys.